Push like you're crawling. There you go. Can you push? Push with your feet.
Hi. You gonna try to walk? Use your toes.
Yeah. Come here.
Hi, big smiles. There you go. That was a good push.
Good push.
Good push.
Now you're moving.
Who's a big boy?
Are you gonna be tearing all over the place in a week?